Hi, and this is Andrew. This is GA Dogs 15. I'm reviewing hauls. I'm reviewing hauls. I'm reviewing hauls cough drops. They're delicious. Let's see here. I'm gonna taste one. Oh yeah, and they're cherry. And they really help with your cough, because I've been coughing here over the weekend and it really worked. So let's see. But you can't tell there's but you can't tell they're cherry. And they're kind of spicy, so Did y'all hear me loud and clear on that? Because if y'all didn't, this is Halls again. It's cherry cough drops. They help your cough really good. And they're kind of spicy. I'm testing one out right now. See? So that's if you did hear it. And they're spicy, like I said a while ago. Sorry I said that twice. And you would, if you look up Dakota 1940, you will find me doing a review with him. A Michael Jackson Experience review. I do food reviews. My brother does game reviews. And I'm gonna start doing some Combat Arm reviews and Project Blackout reviews, which is pretty stupid, but reviews are reviews. I'm just trying to find something to do. So if you're looking forward to buy Hall's cough drop, I recommend them because they help